Hi there internet people, welcome to another video lesson with Dr. Bill, and today we have general English and we are going to do a little bit of grammar. Okay, сегодня у нас грамматика. Я понимаю, что грамматика не очень интересна, но это базовая грамматика, ничего сложного тут. Получается, мы начинаем с yes or no questions with the verb to be. Okay, yes or no questions. Мы будем рассматривать вопрос, который требует ответ либо да или нет. Yes or no. Okay. So, in a yes or no questions with be, put is or are before the subject. Okay. Получается, если мы хотим спросить вопрос, который требуется ответ да и нет, мы поставим is или are перед вопрос. Допустим, is he at work? Это вопрос. Поэтому мы поставим, как мы уже говорили, is или are. Okay? He's at work. Это statement. Но если мы хотим это делать вопрос, как мы уже говорим, is he at work? Давай посмотрим второй statement. She's a student. Мы хотим спросить, если она студент, is вперед, is she a student? Okay. I am Russian. Now the question form is going to be, am I Russian? Мы поставим вперед. Is are. Это значит вопрос, который требуется да или нет. Yes or no. Okay. They are popular. That's the statement. Now how's the question form going to be? Are they popular? Okay. It is great. Now the question form вопрос, is it great? Okay, good. So that is how you ask simple question, yes or no question. Now we're going to talk about something called short answers, okay? Short answers это уже не будет да или нет, okay? Now, let's start with the negative short answers, okay? So there are two forms of negative short answers. We often use contraction in negative short answers. Можно использовать contraction, сокращение, когда мы нам требуются short answers, okay? Negative short answers. For example, is he married? No, he's not. Или contraction, no, he isn't. Okay, it's a negative short answer. Now let's take a second statement. Are they relatives? No, they aren't. Ili, no, they are not. Contraction, no, they aren't. Okay, now let's talk about affirmative short answers. Okay, now let's take a question am I happy? Yes, I am. Affirmative short answers. Am I happy? Yes, I am. Are we friends? Yes, we are. Okay. Обратите внимание. Большой НБ. Not bell. Обратите внимание. Okay. Don't use contraction in affirmative short answers. Мы не используем сокращение. Affirmative short answers. Okay. Now, is she Russian? Yes, she is. Мы не можем говорить yes, she is. Like, with apostrophe. No, you cannot do that. So affirmative short answers, we do not use contraction. You have to make the full statement. Now let's go to the third slide. Question with be, who and what. Who and what. Okay, когда мы можем говорить who is he, или когда мы можем говорить what is it. Okay, alright, cool. So we use who and what to ask about the subject of the sentence. Okay, so use who to ask about people. Who is the man? Okay, если мы говорим об человек, мы всегда используем who. Это не будет правильно говорить what is the man. It's not correct. Since we're talking about the person, we say who. Who is that man? Who is that beautiful girl? Who is that doctor? Who is the lawyer? Who is that engineer? Okay, because we're talking about a person. Now we use what to ask about things or ideas. Okay, what is his name? We use what because we're not talking about a person. Okay, now what is that thing? What is that computer? We're talking about a thing or an idea. Okay, now we often use contraction whose and what's in speaking and informal writing. Okay, so for example, who is that man? It's a contraction. Okay, who is that man? Not who is that man. I mean, it's perfectly correct to say who is that man, but contraction form sounds pretty easier. So who is that man? Okay. What's his name? What is his name? Now the contraction form is going to be what's his name? Okay, very easy to use. So let's go through the questions here. Who is that man? Oh, that's Alex. Okay, so that's going to be a question using who or what. Now let's take a look at these examples here to sum up whatever we've been doing today. Okay, now am I a doctor? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Okay, we spoke about short answers. Now, is she a driver? Yes, she is. No, she's not. No, she isn't. Contraction. Remember, we said the affirmative form, we try to avoid the contraction. We do not use it. It will be wrong to use contraction in affirmative answers. Okay, so are we friends? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. No, we aren't. Okay, contraction. Are you at home? Yes, we are. No, we're not. No, we aren't. Okay, so that is going to bring us to the end of today's lesson. See, I told you there's nothing difficult about, basic grammar. So don't forget to subscribe with English with Dr. Bill, and don't forget to share with your friends. See you guys later. Stay safe. Bye.